Welcome back to SPON Academy. Today we'll be learning about how to register GEN-9102N to the SIP server and make SIP call to other SIP device. First, let's take a look at the equipment we're going to be using today. These are the devices we are going to be using for this video. All the devices should be at the same network. One GEN-9102N microphone, one PC to do the configuration and as the SIP server, one SIP phone for calling test, one PoE network switch. After connect the microphone to the same network of your PC, open your browser and type in the microphone's IP address. For me, it's 19.168.1.110. Username and password are both admin. In the basic settings, select SIP. In this page, we can configure the microphone SIP account information. This microphone can support to SIP accounts. I will demonstrate with account 1. Configure the user ID and authentication ID of the device. Usually these two are the same number. Here I'm going to change it to 1. Display name is the name showing on the other SIP devices when the microphone call them. It's recommended input the server name, in case there are multiple server. Now, change the server IP to your SIP server's IP address. For me, it's the address of my PC that has a SIP server running, which is 19.168.1.100. And scroll down at the bottom. In the audio codec format section, make sure to select all the audio format and move to the right. This will prevent the audio issue when using SIP phone that has different audio format. Click Save and restart the device for it to take effect. This is the SIP server on my PC. As you can see, the microphone is successfully online with ID number 1, and the SIP phone that I configured for testing with ID 10. On the microphone screen, you can see the account 1 is turning green, and with our display name that we previously set. Now let's try to make a SIP call to SIP phone with the dial pad. All we need to do is dial 10 and select the SIP account, since the SIP phone's SIP ID is 10. As you can see, the SIP call has been successfully established. Press C to hang up. Same thing, we can dial the microphone with the SIP phone and put the microphone's SIP ID 1. Press F8 to answer. In this video, we've learned about how to configure the GEN-9102N microphone SIP information so it can register to the SIP server, and also how to make SIP call with the dial pad. That's all for today's lesson. For more information, please visit our website www.spoincome.com. Thank you for watching.